In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a homepage to WordPress.com. Having a well-structured homepage is a critical part of creating a professional and engaging website. It's the first thing your visitors see, and it sets the tone for their entire experience. Whether you're running a blog, a portfolio, or an online shop, customizing your homepage ensures that your audience gets the most relevant information the moment they land on your site. So let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Now, if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. WordPress.com is an easy-to-use platform that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Once you have your account ready, follow along with me. To begin, open your browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com when you're on the homepage. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. This step is important because you need to access the management area of your website to make any changes. Once you've clicked Login, you'll see a few different options for signing in. For this tutorial, we'll use Continue with Google to log in with a Google account. This is a quick and secure way to access your WordPress account. If you're prompted, simply select the Google account you want to use, and you'll be logged in. Now, if you don't see your account listed right away, don't worry, just make sure you're signed into Google in your browser. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your website. It might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're focusing on just one specific task today: setting up your homepage. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down to find the Settings section. Click on it. This is where you can control how your website behaves, how it looks, and how your content is organized. From here, click on the Reading option. This section is specifically designed to help you manage what visitors see when they land on your site. Once you're in the reading settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Homepage Displays. Here you'll see two options: your latest posts and a static page. By default, WordPress usually displays your latest posts, which is great for blogs. But if you want to set a specific page as your homepage, like a welcome page or a portfolio, you'll need to select a static page. This allows you to choose exactly what content appears on your homepage. After selecting a static page, you'll notice two drop-down menus appear. The first drop-down menu is where you choose which page will serve as your homepage. Click the drop-down and select the page you've already created for this purpose. If you haven't created a homepage yet, you might want to pause here, create one, and then return to this step. By choosing the right page, you ensure that visitors see the content that's most relevant to your website's purpose. Once you've selected your homepage, scroll to the bottom of the Reading Settings page. You'll see a Save Changes button. Click it to confirm your changes. This step is crucial because if you leave the page without saving, all your adjustments will be lost and you'll have to start over. Finally, to make sure everything is set up correctly, visit your website by typing its URL into your browser. This will let you see the changes live. Take a moment to review your homepage and ensure that the right content is displayed. If it's not quite right, you can always return to the reading settings and make adjustments. And that's it. You've now successfully added a homepage to your WordPress.com site. This small customization can make a big difference in how your visitors experience your site. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.